Have you ever wondered what would happen if you fell into a black hole? Black holes are one of the most intriguing mysteries of the universe. They are a region of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. But how are these mysterious entities formed? When a star, much larger than our sun, exhausts its nuclear fuel, it undergoes a supernova explosion. This explosion results in either a neutron star, or if the original star is massive enough, a black hole. The core of the star collapses under its own gravity, creating a singularity, a point where gravity is infinitely strong. This singularity is surrounded by an event horizon, a boundary beyond which nothing can escape the gravitational pull of the black hole. But what makes black holes so fascinating is not just their immense gravity, it's their ability to warp space and time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the stronger the gravity, the slower the time. So, near a black hole, time would actually slow down compared to further away. This is known as time dilation. Imagine this. If you were able to hover near a black hole for a while and then return back to Earth, you'd find that much more time has passed on Earth than for you. It's like a cosmic time machine. And it's not just time that gets warped, space too gets distorted. The immense gravity of black holes bends the path of anything that comes near, including light. This bending of light around a black hole creates what is known as gravitational lensing, allowing us to see objects that are behind the black hole from our viewpoint. It's like a cosmic mirage. Black holes are indeed enigmatic and fascinating. They challenge our understanding of the universe and the laws of physics. But they are also extremely dangerous. Their gravity is so strong that once something crosses the event horizon, it can never escape. So, if you ever find yourself near a black hole, remember to keep a safe distance. Does the idea of a world outside our solar system fascinate you? Imagine a realm far beyond our own, a place where planets orbit stars other than our sun. These celestial bodies, known as exoplanets, reside in the vast expanse of the cosmos, each one unique and intriguing in its own way. Just as our Earth orbits the sun, these exoplanets orbit around their own host stars, different from our sun, in far-off galaxies. The concept of exoplanets might seem like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's a reality. Scientists have been detecting these distant worlds for over 2 decades, and the methods they use are quite ingenious. One popular method is the transit method, where scientists observe a star's brightness over time. If an exoplanet passes in front of the star, it causes a small dip in the star's brightness, indicating the presence of an exoplanet. Another method is the radial velocity method. This technique tracks the slight wobble of a star caused by the gravitational tug of an orbiting exoplanet. These methods, along with others, have allowed us to discover a multitude of exoplanets, each with its own unique characteristics. There's a dazzling variety of exoplanets out there. Some are gas giants, much like our Jupiter, while others are rocky, like our own Earth. Some exoplanets, known as super-Earths, are rocky planets that are larger than Earth but smaller than our solar system's gas giants. The ongoing search for an Earth-like exoplanet is particularly exciting. Scientists are on the lookout for a planet with conditions that could support life as we know it, a planet with a size and composition similar to Earth and located in the habitable zone of its star, where liquid water could potentially exist. Who knows, there might be a planet out there just like ours waiting to be discovered. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we inch closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Could we be alone in the universe, or is there life beyond Earth? This tantalizing question has fueled our curiosity and inspired countless missions to explore the cosmos. The search for extraterrestrial life is like a cosmic detective story, filled with mystery, suspense, and the promise of discovery. Our celestial sleuthing begins by identifying the factors that make a planet habitable. Much like the tale of Goldilocks, we're looking for a world that's not too hot, not too cold, but just right. It should ideally sit in the so-called Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist. It should also have a suitable atmosphere and the right chemical ingredients for life as we know it. The Mars rover missions have been instrumental in this quest. These robotic explorers, acting as our proxies, have been tirelessly sifting through the Martian landscape in search of clues. They've uncovered evidence of ancient riverbeds and lakes, suggesting that Mars once had a climate that could have supported life. The discovery of complex organic molecules in the Martian soil has further piqued our interest, hinting at the tantalizing possibility of past or even present life. In our search for life, water holds a place of paramount importance. It's the elixir of life, the universal solvent where biochemical reactions take place. Its presence on a planet significantly boosts the chances of finding life. That's why the discovery of water vapor on exoplanets or ice on the moons of Jupiter and Saturn generates such excitement. It's a tantalizing hint that we might not be alone. The search for extraterrestrial life is a journey of discovery, a quest to understand our place in the cosmos. Every new planet we discover, every molecule we find, brings us one step closer to answering that profound question. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we inch closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Ever dreamt of becoming an astronaut and exploring the cosmos? Let's journey through time and space to discover how far we've come and where we're headed next. Our fascination with the stars led to the birth of space travel. It began with the first manned mission to the moon in the late 60s. The Apollo program by NASA, the United States Space Agency, was a monumental achievement that marked the first time humans stepped foot on an extraterrestrial body. Since then, we've come a long way. We've sent spacecraft to explore the farthest reaches of our solar system, landed rovers on Mars, and even left the boundaries of our solar system with Voyager 1 and 2. But space travel isn't just about exploration. It's about the human spirit, our desire to push boundaries, to explore the unknown, and to understand our place in the universe. It's about the astronauts who risk their lives for the advancement of human knowledge and the challenges they face. Space is a hostile environment. Astronauts deal with zero gravity, cosmic radiation, isolation, and the physical and psychological effects of long-duration spaceflight. Yet, despite these challenges, they continue to venture into the unknown for the sake of science and discovery. Looking forward, the prospects of space travel are exciting. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are pioneering the next generation of space travel. With the goal of making space more accessible, they're working on reusable rockets and developing spacecraft for manned missions to Mars. And then there's the concept of space tourism. Imagine, for a moment, boarding a spacecraft not as an astronaut, but as a tourist. Companies are already working on making this a reality. In the not-too-distant future, we could see hotels in orbit around Earth, lunar vacations, and even trips to Mars. The final frontier is just within our reach, and who knows, you might just be the next space traveler. The cosmos is waiting, full of mysteries and wonders for us to discover. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we're not just exploring space, we're exploring ourselves. In the vast expanse of the universe, there are countless mysteries waiting to be unraveled. And as we've seen, some of these mysteries are far more fascinating than any science fiction tale could ever hope to be. We've delved into the enigma of black holes, celestial objects so dense, so powerful, that they can warp the very fabric of space and time. These cosmic giants, ever hungry, devouring everything within their gravitational grasp, are windows into the extreme states of matter and energy. We've journeyed to the intriguing realm of exoplanets, worlds beyond our solar system. These distant spheres, some potentially encased in ice, others possibly bathed in molten rock or even enveloped by thick alien atmospheres. Each a unique testament to the universe's creativity, painting a picture of infinite celestial diversity. Through the lens of scientific curiosity, we've also explored the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial life. From the microorganisms that might thrive in the subterranean oceans of icy moons, to the potential for intelligent beings gazing back at us from across the cosmos. The search for life beyond Earth is not just a quest for our cosmic kin, but a journey of self-discovery, prompting us to reflect on what it means to be alive. And let's not forget the marvel of space travel, the human venture into the cosmos, a testament to our innate curiosity and resilience. From the first tentative steps on the moon, to the ongoing missions exploring our neighboring planets and beyond. Each voyage pushing the boundaries of what we know, fueling our desire to understand the universe in all its complexity and grandeur. Space, as we've seen, is a frontier of endless possibilities and mysteries. Each star, each galaxy, each black hole or exoplanet, a page in the cosmic book of knowledge, waiting to be read, waiting to reveal its secrets. As we continue to gaze at the stars, we're not just looking at celestial bodies, but potential answers to some of our most profound questions.